digging up debt after an apparent dirty move by a client. Two tradies send in the heavies after they claim a bill was underpaid.
Away from my bobcat, I'm digging my driveway. 1 second. I'm digging this out. Can I talk to you 1 second? Are you going to pay the money?
The concreters used a bulldozer and power tools to destroy their own work, saying the Clare homeowner owed them $3,500 for concreting his driveway.
Done a job. We had an agreed price, to be paid.
I said, well, I'm going to collect my materials for $3,500 worth. And he said, OK, come and do it, basically.
Police say while officers were called to the scene, the tradies did nothing wrong and nobody has been charged. As for the bill, it's now being paid in full. While there were no repercussions, this time, legal experts say contractors should think twice before taking matters into their own hands.
There's lots of alternatives short of exposing yourself to potentially being charged with trespass or property damage or something like that.
The driveway remains damaged, but the tradies say they have no regrets and have had hundreds of messages from other fed-up tradies.
You get to a point where you just go, look, enough's enough.
Hannah Ford, 7 News.